Be ready, start. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to this 30th annual general meeting of the company. The director's report and audited accounts of the company for the year ended 31st March 1989 were mailed to you earlier, and with your consent I shall take them as read. Para, you will be glad to know that for the first time the annual sales turnover of the company exceeded rupees 100 crores. This was due to significant increase in the production and sale of almost all products, the highest since inspection of the company. Higher targets of production and sales have been set for future years too. For the last 3 years, I have been drawing the attention to certain inhibiting factors which are holding up the much needed expansion and diversification of the petrochemical and polymer sector of the chemical industry. I wish to highlight some of these factors. Para, though 3 years have passed after the publication of the committee report on the prospective plan for these industries, the actual progress made on identified major projects has been slow. Therefore, a chronic shortage of petrochemicals and polymers in the country persists, leading to heavy imports. It will continue for some years more. Looking at polymer in particular, the present gaps between demand and supply cannot always be met fully by imports. Downstream industries like plastic processors are therefore often forced to underutilize the installed capacities. The company has on hand many projects for energy saving and pollution control at all plants. Particular mention may be made of the installation of a high efficiency oil fired boiler at the plant and conversion of the conventional coal field boilers. Para, in a capital starved country like ours, it is a sad fact that project costs and nearly double than those in developed countries. This is the result of long gestation periods caused by delays and higher incidence of cooperative interest, high excise duties, sales tax and control, etc. Unless all these levels are lowered substantially and gestation period curtailed by conscious efforts, the manufacturing economics of chemical get loaded with avoidable high fixed costs leading to high price. The need of reducing the capital cost of project by substantially lowering the import duties on hardware is all the more urgent. In short, for a healthy development of the chemical industry, in above inhibiting factors need to be looked on a war footing so that the resultant lower prices of chemical products will accelerate market growth and also make export visible. Para, in conclusion, may I extend my sincere thanks to our customers, state and central government authorities, depositors, financial institutions, bankers and shareholders for their cooperation and trust. Thanks are also due to management team, the staff and workmen for their excellent efforts in producing the good results in the year under report. Stop.